Friends, chromosomal disorders. What about chromosomal disorders? These are another type of the genetic disorders. Second type. First one is Mendelian disorders caused due to the mutation in single DNA. Next, these are chromosomal disorders occurs due to the caused by abnormal number of chromosomes. There is a abnormality in chromosome number. Next, students, it is also occurs due to the error in equal distribution of the chromosomes at the time of the cell division into the daughter cells, mother cells to the daughter cells. Student, at the time of the division, there is a equal distribution of the chromosomes into the daughter cells from the mother cell. Okay, at that time, distribution of the chromosomes, there is a error. Next, it causes with the one is the cell is with increased number of the chromosomes, and the one is the cell is with less amount the chromosomes. Aneuploid, that means it is the chromosomal aberration. Chromosomal aberration. Okay, that means gain or loss of one or more chromosomes in a set. Student, already you know about the diploidy and haploidy. Diploidy means a double set chromosomes present in the nucleus, karyotype of the cell. That is diploid. Haploid means having the cell, that is the cell having the single set chromosomes, that is called haploid. What about aneuploidy? Aneuploidy, that means one of the chromosome is less in number in total number of the chromosomes, or one extra chromosome is present in total number of the chromosomes. Okay, that is called aneuploidy. Gain or loss of one or more chromosomes in a set, in chromosome set of the cell, that is called aneuploidy. This is occurs due to non-disjunction of the chromosomes. There is a disturbance in distribution of the chromosomes from parent cell to daughter cells. That is causes that leads to aneuploidy situations. Next, chromosomes are two types. Chromosomes are two types. That is allosomes. Another one is next one is autosomes. Allosomes, also called sex chromosomes. These are XX in females, XY in males in human beings. First one, in allosomal disorders, Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. It is caused by trisomy 23rd pair in males. Student, it is occurs in males, and it is occurs due to the trisomy 23rd pair. 23rd, which one is the 23rd pair? XX chromosomes in female, XY chromosomes in males. These are 23rd pair chromosomes. 23rd pair is allosomes, sex chromosomes. Okay, 23rd pair in male, trisomy. Students, instead of XY chromosomes present in the males, there is another one of the X chromosome is also present. Okay, that is the condition is called trisomy. Instead of one X, one Y chromosome in males, okay, and it is replaced with another one of the X chromosome, that leads to karyotype is with 47 total number of the chromosomes in karyotype. Total number of the chromosomes are 47, and it is by the another one of the X chromosome. Additionally, one of the X chromosome is present instead of XY chromosomes. 47 XXY is the karyotype. It is also termed with the trisomy 23rd pair in males. Student, what are the symptoms? Hypogonadism. Hypogonadism, okay, decreases the level in the development of the sexual or reproductive system organs. Next, reduced fertility. Fertility is reduces in individuals and feminine sexual development. Student, also these are the persons also shows the female sexual characteristic features. Next, not suppressed. Totally, this is the female sexual characters are not suppressed in individuals, and enlargement of the breast, and in these individuals somatic cells also exhibit bar bodies in their nuclei. Nuclei means number of the nucleus. Somatic cells exhibit bar bodies in nuclei. Next, student, Turner syndrome. What about the Turner syndrome? Turner syndrome, it is caused by monosomy 23rd pair. Student, karyotype is with 45. Total number of the chromosomes are 45 instead of 46 chromosomes. Okay, one chromosome is less. Okay, instead of one pair sex chromosomes, these are persons only with the single X chromosomes. Okay, that is called monosomy 23rd pair. 23rd pair is only X instead of XX chromosomes or XY chromosomes. One chromosome is lost, okay, in these individuals. Short stature and gonadal dysgenesis, okay, decreases the development of the reproductive system. Webbed neck, widely spaced nipples, and broad chest. Next, bar body is absent because of only one of the X chromosome is present in these females. Turner syndrome, this is the disorder occurs in females. Bar bodies are absent because of only one X chromosome. Next, student, autosomal disorders. What about the autosomal disorders? This first one is Down syndrome, second one is Edwards syndrome, third one Patau syndrome, fourth one Cray-Duchat syndrome, fifth one chronic myelogenous leukemia. Chronic myelogenous leukemia, also called chronic myeloid leukemia, also called chronic granulocytic leukemia. Student, in this first one, Down syndrome. What about the Down syndrome? It is occurs due to trisomy 21. Trisomy 21. Student, karyotype is 47 plus 21. Total amount of the chromosomes are 47 instead of 46. Plus 21. 21st autosome is with 3 in number instead of one pair autosomes. Student, 47 plus 21. 21st chromosomes are 3 in number instead of 2 or 1 pair chromosomes. And what are the symptoms? In Down syndrome, short stature and round head and furrowed tongue. Okay, student. Next, open mouth, partially open mouth, and physical, psychomotor, mental development is retarded. Okay, student. Physical development, psychomotor development, that means mental development, mental thinking. Okay. Next, mental development, totally these are the characters are retarded in these individuals. Next, student, Edwards syndrome. What about the Edwards syndrome? It is occurs by caused by trisomy 18. Trisomy 18. Karyotype is with 47 plus 18. Total number of the chromosomes are 47 instead of 46 chromosomes in human beings. Students, in this plus 18 means 18th chromosomes are 3 in number instead of one pair 18 chromosomes. Okay, 47 plus 18, one extra chromosome of 18th pair. Students, in this common in female offsprings. This is disorder or this syndrome is common in female offsprings. Next, mostly people die during fetal stage. Okay, which are the persons suffered with Edwards syndrome? These are the individuals are die at the time of the fetal stage. And infants also with a cardiac problem and kidney problem, cardiac kidney abnormalities also seen in these persons. Next, Patau syndrome. What about the Patau syndrome? It is caused by trisomy 13. Okay students, karyotype is 47 plus 13. Total number of the chromosomes are 47 in nucleus and instead of 46. Okay, additionally one copy of autosome, 13th autosome. 13th autosome chromosomes are 3 in number. Hence the karyotype is with 47 plus 13. Next students, these are the persons is with heart, kidney problems and brain, spinal cord abnormalities also seen in these individuals. Next, microphthalmia. Microphthalmia, that means less development of the eyes. Next, cleft palate. Cleft palate is also seen. Next student, many infants die within the first days of the life. Okay, initial days of the life after the delivery from the mother, these are the infants goes to death. Next students, Cray-Duchard syndrome. What about the Cray-Duchard syndrome? It is also called 5p minus syndrome. 5p minus syndrome. Cray-Duchard syndrome also called 5p minus syndrome. Okay. Next, Cat-Cray syndrome. A student, 5p monosomy. It is occurs due to 5p monosomy. What about the 5p monosomy? Students, in this partial loss of the 5th chromosome. Okay students, 5p minus 5p monosomy. Karyotype is with 46 5p. Total number of the chromosomes are 46 in number as usual. Next, 5p minus partial loss of the 5th chromosome, that is autosome. The student, in this partial deletion of the short arm of chromosome 5. In this disorder, 5th chromosome, it is the autosome and it is at the time of the division. Okay, reaching of the chromosomes into the daughter cells, partial loss of the short arm of the 5th chromosome that leads to the Cray-Duchard syndrome. Student, at the region of the 5th chromosome, that is with so small 5th chromosome in length, okay, that is so small. Next student, what are the symptoms appeared in Cray-Duchard syndrome? Cat-like cry of affected children. Okay, these are the children's shows the cat-like crying. Next, due to the problems, why these are the persons shows the type of the character? It is due to the problems in larynx. Larynx is the sound producing organ in human beings. Due to the problems in larynx and nervous system, and it is also mentally, these are the persons also with mentally retarded. These are the children's usually die at the time of the childhood stage.